Good morning, Auto Zapchast, and today we start turning your engine 9J590.
NGB?
All turning good, all compression complete. On the front, all looks good as you can see. I didn't see any damages here. This side, all looks good as well. Compressor looking good, meter looking good as well. Starter looking like so. On the top, all looks good. The back side all looks like so. The box looking good. On this side, all looks good. Turbo is in good condition. Awesome, looking good. Underneath all looks good as well. No damage, no breaks. Turning your engine 9J590. Thank you.